Let's talk about Quora marketing, how to get leads, traffic, and even sales using Quora in 2023. And we're starting right now. Welcome, I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. Do me a favor right now and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. As a small creator, that helps me out, as well as hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I come out with new videos. Today we're getting into some Quora marketing, how to use Quora correctly, how to get leads, sales, and just traffic from using the platform Quora. So before we get into the strategy, let me share with you some proof on the strategy that I'm about to teach you that it actually works. Check out some of these recent results. So this is a traffic platform that I use. It's a traffic exchange where you can get your traffic, your website, your affiliate marketing stuff seen. And you can even post your YouTube videos on here. And this has been around since 2003, guys. But this is what I want to share with you right here. I got 2 referrals today, and I got some referrals yesterday. And as you can look on where they come from, it says joined up under here. Quora, right? And you can see when these tags actually track properly. That was from a mailer. That was from me personally. This is another Quora. All right. So the method I'm about to teach you, pay attention, hit that like button, and drop your comments down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a question. I will respond. I read all my comments. But let's get into the strategy on how to use Quora and how I use Quora to get referrals, to get signups, and to get lots of traffic. So this is my Quora profile, you guys. I'll leave either my Quora profile or my group, because I have a group right here. I'll leave that down below in the description. You want to set up your profile correctly. That's step number 1. All right, pro tip number 1. And as you can see, mine says entrepreneur, helping you build passive income online. I currently have 530 followers, and I have my group linked to my bio, my YouTube channel, and my website. All right, and Quora is a really simple, easy website to use. You pretty much just answer questions. It's an answer and question website. All right, people come to Quora with some type of question or concern, and they're looking for advice. They're looking for some tips, and you can be the person that shares some valuable tips with them. All right, so let me share with you the post that actually got me these recent signups onto Easy Hits for You. Check it out. So this is a YouTube group that I'm a part of. You can join groups, and as a contributor to these groups, you can post inside the group and get your messages seen. All right, if you're interested in joining a group, you pretty much search for the group up here in the search bar. You find what spaces are groups, pretty much. They're called spaces here on Quora. So find a space that you want to contribute. You click on the about section in the space. You want to read the details, and usually there's a button over here. I'm already a contributor, but usually there's a button that says join to contribute, or join, to become a contributor. And this is where you can join this group. This current YouTube group has 6,000 followers. And as a contributor, you can pretty much just post. All right, you can post stuff. So let me scroll down. Let me see if I could find the exact post on where I'm getting these new referrals on Easy Hits for You. I'll leave that down in the link below as well if you want to check that out for some free traffic. All right, so here's the type of post that I'm talking about. So this is one of the posts that is getting me traffic. So what I did is I'm sharing how I got traffic in this group to my YouTube channel. The title is Demand More YouTube Traffic, Try This. And this is just a screenshot, and this is really my channel stats. I remember when I got back started in YouTube in 2020, after I quit for 5 years, I got back into YouTube. I only had 67 subscribers, and I've grown my YouTube past 1,500 subscribers. So this is just my before and after stats. I'm just sharing some tips with people. And as you can see, it says these are my top 3 tips for more YouTube traffic in 2023. And this is where you can leave your referral link right here. All right, and I got 3 links that I was referring to: Easy Hits for You, You Like Hits, and Morning Fame, which is an awesome SEO tool. But Morning Fame is how I rank my videos onto YouTube to make sure that the Google and YouTube search engine, make sure my videos are found pretty much, and I can get ranked and get more traffic. So this one only got 23 views, but I shared this in a couple different YouTube groups or YouTube spaces, and this is exactly how I've gotten these referrals over here on Easy Hits for You. So if we go back to my profile, you see I've gotten 27,000 content views just this month. These are people looking at my content, questions that I'm answering, and just posts of me helping and sharing positive stuff with people. As a pro tip, so you won't get your account flagged, spammed, or banned, if you're just creating a Quora profile, do not put your link, your affiliate link, in every answer that you reply to. In the beginning, you have a very new profile. You don't want to draw too much attention to yourself or seem spammy, all right? So as a pro tip, in my opinion, I would do every 5 questions, just giving helpful tips, no affiliate links, then you do 1 affiliate link. So 5 to 1, all right? 5 helpful posts, and then on the 6th post, you can drop your affiliate link to something that helps somebody get some results. Because I've had my account since 2020, I can drop my affiliate link in every question or every answer in every post that I create, because I've warmed up my account. But if you're just creating your account, if your account isn't seasoned, or if you've abandoned your account for a while or for some months, I recommend doing the 5 to 1. 5 helpful responses, add some pictures, give some value, and then 1 post of actually putting your link. Quora's awesome, guys. It is an awesome way to get some free traffic. It's an awesome way to even get referrals and even paid signups to whatever you're promoting. I created my own group. You can create your own, I keep saying groups. You can create your own space, and you can join other spaces as a contributor. And when you join as a contributor, you can post inside of that group to all the members, and this is how you can ramp up your traffic. All right, so let's check out my group right here real fast. Hit that like button if you're enjoying this video, and subscribe to the channel, man. I want to keep giving you guys more marketing tips that will increase your traffic, your sales, and your online income. So this is my personal space / group that I created. Passive Income Online with Royal Ward, that's me. I have 228 followers so far in this group. So if you're a part of Quora, you want to connect with me, click the link actually below. I'll leave a link below, either to my group or my profile. So check this out. This is where I give away free traffic. I have a free traffic gift right here. You can connect with me on these links right here. But I share my story, guys. I share my story about my marketing, how I got started. You can learn more about me. I share some awesome YouTube videos and just content. I answer questions here. If you got a personal question, I share my income proof. I do motivation and just give a lot of value inside this group. All right, so check me out over here, guys. Quora is super simple to use. You go to the search bar, right? You search for topics. You could type in affiliate marketing, you could type in network marketing, you could type in anything, and there will be topics and spaces that you could follow and connect with. And that's exactly what I did on my profile right here. As you can see, spaces. I got my group right here. There's another group I just created called Think Wealthy. You can check that out. And these are all the things that I'm interested in. I'm interested in YouTube. I'm interested in affiliate marketing and making money online. So connect with the groups. so that you can give value, so that you can answer people's questions, so that you can share your experience. Even if you just got 2 leads, hey, I got 2 leads today, and this is exactly how I did and what I did. Because there's people out here struggling, man, and you never know where people are in their marketing journey. So I hope you found this video helpful. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you'll be updated every time I create new videos. If you found this helpful, drop a comment down below. Share your experience with Quora. I use it. I think it's awesome, and it is an awesome way to get some free traffic, referrals, and even signups to anything that you're promoting online. Stick around for this next video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.